Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create rolling end credits using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So we can click on new project, and then since we want to edit video, we can choose a video based. Okay, and you can prepare a background for your credits, and I'm just going to use black background from VN. I'm going to go to the stock, and then I'm going to choose the black background, for example this one, and then I'm going to add this background to my project. Okay, and then I'm going to change the ratio guys. For example, I'm going to use this 16:9 ratio. Okay, and then I'm going to add tags to my project. So we can click on the tags menu and then select tags, and you can add your credits right here. I'm going to select body tags, for example, and I'm just going to paste the tags I have just copied to the clipboard. Okay, and this is the credits guys. And then wait, I'm going to change the font. You can choose the font that you like, and for example I'm going to use, wait guys, I'm still choosing my font. Let's try I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and to create the rolling effect we need to apply keyframe, but wait, I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, we can add keyframe to the text, but here before you create the end credits, you can choose the duration for the credits. The longer credits you have, the longer duration you need. Okay, and I'm just going to extend it like this. All right, and then I'm going to apply keyframe to my text. We can place the credits like this. I'm going to make it out of frame, and then I'm going to apply keyframe, and then I'm going to move it up, and you need to move the text. I mean, you need to place this parameter at the end of the text, so the rolling effect will be created. Okay guys, and this is the result. As you can see that the rolling effect has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create rolling end credits using VN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.